Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube language. And then first, of course, we will see that in YouTube, under settings, we won't find any settings or options for language. So what we have to do then is to change the language of our settings, and then YouTube will follow that language. So go to settings and then system management, language and input. Here I'm going to change the language of my phone, and just wait for it to load. Basically in here it's just loading, and then I'll then check YouTube. So here's YouTube, and you will see that it already changed the language of the application. Let's check the main page of the YouTube application. So as you can see, the words are already in a different language, as well as the other pages of or sections of the application. So that's how you change your YouTube language using your mobile. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.